In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close partial position on Metatrader 5. If you've ever wanted to lock in part of your profit or reduce your risk while keeping a trade open, this is exactly what you need. We'll do it on the MT5 desktop platform, and I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. First, make sure your trading panel is visible. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+T. This opens the toolbox at the bottom of your platform. In the toolbox, click on the Trade tab. This tab shows your active positions, including symbol, lot size, entry price, and current profit or loss. Next, find the position you want to partially close and double-click it. This opens the order window for that specific position. In this window, look for the field labeled Volume. This is the key field for partial closing. The number you enter here is the amount of your position that you want to close now, not the amount you want to keep. Type in the portion you want to close. For example, if your current position is one lot and you want to scale out by half, change the volume to 0.50. Once you've set the volume, simply click Close. MT5 will execute that portion at the current market price. The selected part of the position is closed and realized, while the remaining portion stays open and continues to fluctuate with the market. Your closed part's profit or loss is locked in immediately, and any stop loss or take profit you had on the position continues to apply to the reduced size. Here's a quick example to make it crystal clear. Suppose you opened one lot. You decide to close 0.30 lot. After you click Close, 0.30 lot is closed and realized, and 0.70 lot remains open and keeps running. You can repeat this process later if you want to scale out further. A few important points to remember. You can only close by specifying lot sizes, not percentages. If you want to close 30%, you'll need to convert that into a lot figure yourself. The minimum lot increment is usually 0.01 lot, but this depends on your broker and the specific symbol's contract settings. Also, partial closing works instantly at the market price. MT5 does not offer automatic partial take profit natively. For scheduled or conditional partial exits, you'd need an expert advisor. During fast markets, expect possible slippage between the price you see and the execution price. That's it. With these steps, you can manage risk and lock in gains precisely without closing your entire trade.